Today, we are going to the very top of the highest mountain in Australia.
Morning.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun. Watching me come undone. No more games. Can't we just
Oh no, there's rocks. Oh, there's bumpy rocks. Oh. Oh, I don't like those bumpy rocks. I like the nice smooth path. Oh, we made it to the sun.
I tried to shake it, find a way to get you off my mind. Really tried to draw that line. But one look from you, I'm praying I could call you mine. Baby, you got my hands tied. No more games. Can't we just say its name instead of running away and jumping the gun to play it safe? Oh, it's been a weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow. It's been a weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight
Where are we?
this.
2,030 meters.
Wow.
Here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless.
I think we're going up Rawson Pass now.
We've made it to Rawson Pass. We've parked our bikes and now we're going to walk to the top.
All my life I was looking for a sign. Wasn't sure where to find a peace of mind. Sometimes you can see things when it ain't time. Well, for you I'll be putting it all aside.
We're getting near the summit. It's It's getting very windy and chilly.
When I look at you, it seems
Made it.
We've done it.
We did it. High five. Crazy. way too long. Trying to find a moment, but it's gone. Didn't even know which way to go, so alone. Gonna find your dreams, don't let it go. Leap of faith, take me through the gates. Some will fall, some will crawl, but we make it out alive. All the saints trying to get away. Give it all, don't look back, you will make it out okay. People try to push you in your lane, feel your pain. You've been through it all but didn't change. Like the rain coming down, you can wash it away. Gonna find your dreams, don't let it go. Let it go. Leap of faith, take me through the gates. Some will fall, some will crawl, but we make it out alive. All the saints trying to get away. Give it all, don't look back, you will make it out okay. So we made it. That was a good bike ride. It's smooth, there's lots to see, it's fast. I loved it.